Well, just days after India crossed the 1 billion vaccination milestone, Prime Minister Modi held a meeting with COVID vaccine manufacturers. The Prime Minister's meeting 7 Indian vaccine manufacturers at his residence. Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya is also present. Well, the CMD of Bharat Biotech, Biological E's at his Kerala, Genova Biopharma, Serum Institute of India, Dr. Reddy's and Panacea Biotech are attending the meeting. It comes in the wake of the country achieving the landmark of administering 100 crore vaccine doses. The Prime Minister is meeting the heads of these companies that are looking at boosting doses in the country in terms of their production and also ensuring better coverage, given that the double dose coverage in the country remains at a little over 30%. The Prime Minister is meeting the heads of these companies. Milan Sharma is getting us more details on that. Milan, any agenda for the meeting, or is this a courtesy call with the Prime Minister just sort of, chalking out or detailing on his vision really on complete vaccination for the entire adult population by the end of this year?
Well, the meeting remains crucial because all 7 Indian vaccine manufacturers were called by the Prime Minister. This comes in the wake of the 1 billion vaccine mark that India has crossed. But the agenda also seems to be in points that it will look forward to inoculating everybody by December or by the end of the year. That is the next big target that the government is looking at, along with the second dose coverage. But also the fact that we've been told by sources that manufacturers are likely to also mention about exports, because India has begun Vaccine Maitri, and that is an initiative that the manufacturers are also spearheading. Contribution still remains from India, as well as there's no word yet on commercial exports and when that can begin, as and when the manufacturers will have surplus supply. So that remains one crucial aspect. Yes, manufacturers have said earlier also that they would like to begin exports whenever the government so wishes that, they should. That also remains on agenda. Children's vaccine, Sneha, we are told, is also a very crucial aspect of the next inoculation target. And certainly there are going to be talks on how children can become a priority group for inoculation against COVID-19. And certainly the PM is also going to thank the vaccine manufacturers because of their contribution and how India has been able to achieve a mammoth vaccine target of 100 crore doses, which is 1 billion doses this time. And that agenda being taken forward, we're also going to know more about the newer vaccines that are going to come. And that's why companies like Genova Biopharma as well as Biological E have been called. We're also looking at international vaccines, Sputnik V, the Russian vaccine. The companies that are producing it or marketing, bottling it here, Panacea Biotech as well as the Dr. Reddy's laboratories. Talks are on with them also to ramp up production of Sputnik V, especially in light of Sputnik Light being given the nod by the Drug Controller General to do trials in the country. So yes, Sneha, we're going to have a big basket once again of vaccines in future as well. But COVID pandemic must remain under control in India, and that is why vaccine manufacturing and their contribution is very important, to which the PM is going to talk to them about this and thank them for their contribution.
All right, Milan getting us all of those details. We'll of course keep coming back to you for more on that big story. Thanks, Milan, for the moment.